Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to show you a quick way how to check a valve leak. A lot of times a customer will call and say, hey, I got a sprinkler that keeps leaking. Or they say, my water bill has been really high and something wrong. I think it's something wrong with the irrigation. First thing you do is this is anti-siphon valve. You just take this part right off here. And you see this reservoir right here? There's water in there, okay? If this water seeps over into this area here, okay, when everything's shut down, that means there's a leak. Now, what you can do quickly is this right here. This is a solenoid. Okay. You want to make sure, and then you can do it with this, or if you don't have this part here, you can just get a wrench. And you don't want to do it really tightly, but you want to just make sure it's a little snug here, just like that. Okay. And then just make sure this is a bleeder right here. Some valves don't have it, but this one, just make sure that that's tight, and it's going to be clockwise. Excuse me. Okay. Sometimes this will stop it. Somebody might have accidentally turned it, and so it's leaking. But if it doesn't stop and just continues to go in here into this part of the valve, it's leaking. It has to be replaced. All right, so this is a Rainbow valve, but it goes with Rainbow's anti-siphon valve. So it goes with any other valve out there. It's the same principle. Just take off that cap on your anti-siphon part of it, and you'll be able to see all that. Okay, so that's it, folks. If you have any questions, just please leave it on the comment section. Please don't forget to press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.